We're back in our room. We got rained out. We got stuck in the rain. That's okay. We knew that possibility. We have plenty of extra clothes. Oh my god. Yeah. Everything is soaked. But we do have extras. I'm taking a strawberry orange break. We picked this up at Sun Harvest. Our room does have a fridge. It's a little smaller than I'm used to. This is our room fridge, but it fits the orange juice. Barely. Can you hear? I don't know. Did you just hear that thunder and lightning? Thunder and lightning. I don't think we're going to be shelling anymore today. It's 6:30, so, or is it 7:30? Oh my god, it's 7:45. The sun's going down. So,
it just seems like it's kind of, that it's still too light, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's almost 8 o'clock. It definitely doesn't feel like it's almost 8 o'clock. But yeah, we got totally soaked, totally stuck in the rain.
We got hurt, too. The rain hurt us.
The rain was very hard. It didn't hurt me. Robert has sensitive skin.
Very soft.
He's
very soft. It didn't hurt you. It sure did.
Oh, the adventures we have for not paying attention to the weather. Robert did say, Jenny, we better get going. It's going to rain. Didn't you, Robert?
I did.
And I ignored you.
You didn't listen.
And we got stuck in the rain. But, so, you know what? That's the adventures of vacation. So the rain probably lasted about 45 minutes. This is the deck from our hotel room. Alright, we're getting ready to call it a night, and these are all the shells I got today. Honestly, I only shelled for about 10 minutes. It's going to be one of those trips that's definitely quality over quantity. I have never got one of these completely flat shells before. It's like a scallop, but it's flat. I don't know what it is. It's awesome. I've never got one of those before. So if you're a sheller and you know what this is, please comment down below. I found a piece of sea glass, which is pretty rare but for Florida anyway, but I've actually been doing pretty good the last couple of trips. This is just a boring oyster, but I love oysters. These are the augers that I really like. I call them spirals. And then this is, I don't really see those this much. I think this is called a limpet. And then I got some more of the jewel boxes and just a couple random cute ones, and then some little olives. So Captiva definitely has a bunch of small shells. There were shell piles. So this is a trip where I'm definitely going to just sit on my butt and sort through some shell piles instead of like walking and shelling. Today was our arrival day, so we really didn't have much time to do much. And of course, there is a tropical storm we're fighting with, and so we got rained out. But I'm very happy with what I got. This alone makes me extremely happy. So anyway, it's a good day. Flight was easy. We had a good lunch/dinner here. Got some chocolate on the trip. Stopped by the orange store. Did a lot today, and it's just, so now we have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, 3 full days at the beach, and then we fly home on Tuesday. So 3 more full days of shelling when it's not raining, and then and we're gonna get some fishing in. My husband, he does have a Florida fishing license. I just watch him. I'm not actually going to fish, but he does, and we actually brought an extra suitcase this time just full of all his fishing equipment. So we are going to actually try. He's going to fish. I'm going to watch, and hopefully he'll catch something. So anyway, we are in Captiva this time, not Sanibel. Last trip was Sanibel. This trip is Captiva, and then for New Year's Eve we'll come back for Sanibel. But this is Captiva. Liking it so far. It's definitely a different feel than Sanibel, but still a very nice place.